Hello guys, so I'm back again with another update about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 update that has started rolling out. We will talk about all the new features that has added to the watch. Samsung is rolling out a new update to Galaxy Watch Active 2 starting with the Bluetooth version of the smartwatch. The update brings some of the features announced at the Galaxy Watch 3 launch event. Thanks to this update, Galaxy Watch Active 2 now offers a running analysis feature that offers various metrics including symmetry, regularity, stiffness, vertical oscillation, and ground contact time to help you efficiently keep track of your running habits. Moreover, the update brings support for VO2 max measurement. For those unaware, VO2 max represents the oxygen consumption during exercises. This should help anyone who wants to take control of their breathing habits while involving in intense workout sessions. The second feature is fall detection. Apple Watch is often credited for saving lives due to its fall detection feature. Samsung is now catching up by rolling out fall detection to its smartwatches. Once the watch detects a fall, it sends a SOS notification to up to 4 emergency contacts. You can enable the feature from SOS Detects Fall in the Galaxy Wearable app. The third feature is communication features. Samsung is adding the ability to let users view emoticons and photos from the smartwatch. In addition, the company is also enabling Smart Reply for quick replies. Smart Reply is available in 9 languages, namely English, French, German, Italian, Korean, Polish, Russian, Spanish, and Ukrainian. Alongside this, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 will automatically show chat history when you receive a new message so that you no longer have to worry about the context. The company is also adding support for AR emoji stickers and Bitmoji stickers. While AR emoji stickers are currently limited to Samsung phones running One UI 2.5 or above, the Bitmoji sticker is compatible with Samsung phones with Bitmoji app. You get up to 45 stickers or 3 AR emoji avatars with a maximum of 15 stickers of each avatar. On the other hand, Bitmoji supports a total of 30 stickers. The next feature is better mobile integration. On top of all these new features, Samsung is improving the mobile experience with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. You can now access your playlist on your phone seamlessly from the smartwatch. Samsung has also added a scrolling screenshots feature, and the captured screenshots will automatically be sent to your phone. As mentioned earlier, Samsung is bringing the update first to the BT version of the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The company promises to roll out the changes to its LTE version soon. Do keep in mind that the update requires the latest version of the Galaxy Wearable app and the Galaxy Watch Active 2 plugin. So this is all we have got for now. Subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one. Peace out.